It did start recording. Yeah, it definitely started recording. Let's go. I get no lag with straps either. I don't know why. I used to get lag on my computers. What do I look like? How do I look like on PvP on your screen?
You look actually good.
Am I hitting you? Oh, whoa, what the fuck?
Oh, I just got a lag spike.
You just also just dumbled me. I'm coming back over.
Auto click Kohi.
Who? You or me?
I'm kidding. I was gonna say you, but I'm kidding.
You have a nice clicker. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yeah, actually, I don't know how you. I'm gonna record you. I'm saying the link to this video. I don't know how you. I reply. I don't know how you download like that. It's crazy. I'm gonna show you why people think you hack all the time.
Huh?
I'm gonna send you the link to this video. This is why people think you hack all the time.
Fine. Oh!
You're gay, you know. You really are. I might just go back to soup. Come on, let's go. Alright, thank you for making it much easier for me. No.
Oh!
Yeah, a lot more. You had a lot more pause than me too.
I did.
I need some team battles because I
Alright,
want to
I'm
record
changing
some.
back.
Oh, you are?